Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x power x equal 2 power 8 power 3 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x power x equal 2 power 8 power 3. We can write it as 2 power 8 times 8 times 8. Now x power x equal 2 power 8. I can write it as 2 times 4 times 8 times 8. Now as per exponent rule, x power mn, we can write it as x power m power n. So x power x equal 2 power 2 whole power 4 times 8 times 8. Now x power x equal 4 power 4 times 8 times 8. Now again this 8 I can write it as 4 power 4 times this 8 as 2 times 4 and this 8 as also 2 times 4. Now x power x equal 4 power 4 times this 2 times 2 become 4, then 4, then 4. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 I can write it as 4 power 4. So x power x equal 4 power 4 power 4. Now if we compare both sides, the value of x is 4. Now let's check. 4 power 4 equal 2 power 8 power 3. So it becomes 4 power 4. I can write it as 4 times 4. Similarly 2 power 8 power 3 as 8 times 3. This, this becomes 4 power 16 and this becomes 2 power 24. Now 4 I can write it as 2 square 16 and here 2 power 24. So x power 4 is the right answer of this expression. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.